Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how you can fix taskbar not showing or taskbar not working in Windows 11. There are many methods that I'm going to show you in this video. The first method that I'm going to show you is just simply restart your Windows 11, because most of the issues mostly get fixed after a restart. In your case, you might not be able to see your start menu or are unable to use any icons or settings down there. What you can do is just simply click Alt plus F4 on your keyboard and it will bring up this menu, and over there just simply click on the drop down and choose restart, and then simply press OK and restart the Windows. So after booting back in, if the taskbar is still not fixed, then just simply do all the methods shown to you in this particular video. So the second method is restart your Windows Explorer. For doing that, you need to access taskbar, but you don't have the taskbar. So what you can do is just simply click Ctrl, Shift and Escape, and that will bring up your task manager. And then just simply find Windows Explorer. You can do this by pressing W on your keyboard. That way you can find it much faster. So as you can see, I just found my Windows Explorer. So after clicking on Windows Explorer, just simply click Restart down here and it should fix your taskbar. This was the second method that you can do. So the third method is you can try closing some applications that run in the background in your Windows. So for doing that, open your taskbar just by holding Ctrl, Shift and Escape. Then after opening your taskbar, just simply go to Details, and now in Details just simply search Runtime Broker just by clicking R. Then just simply end the runtime broker exe. Then again do the same for search index.exe. And by doing all of this, your taskbar should appear. So this was the third method that you can do. Now the fourth method is try to repair the system files in your Windows. So for doing that, again open up your task manager just by holding Ctrl, Shift and press Escape. Then go to Files up here, then click Run New Task, then write CMD. And make sure to check this box which says create this task with administrative privileges. Then press OK. Now just simply copy and paste the links given to you in the description below. So you will find all the codes in the description, which is right over here. Now just simply copy and paste the commands one by one. Then press enter. It will take few minutes. So after you're done with the first command, just simply copy and paste the second command. Press enter. And it will again take few minutes. Then the last command. Again just simply copy paste and enter. So after it is complete, restart your Windows 11 and your taskbar should appear. So after restarting, the fifth method that you can do is reinstall and re-register all the applications of Windows 11. For doing that, again go to your task manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape. Then click on File, Run New Task. And now what you have to do is open PowerShell. And make sure to check this box to give the administrative privileges, then press OK. So after the PowerShell is opened, just simply copy and paste the command given to you in the description below. And press enter. So after it's completed, just simply again restart your Windows and your taskbar should appear. So after that, the sixth method that you can try is by modifying the registry. And for doing that, again go to your task manager by holding Ctrl, Shift and Escape. Then again go to File, Run New Task, and this time search reg edit. Then OK. Then again press yes. Now the first thing that you have to do is just simply make a backup file for your registry if something goes wrong. For doing that, just simply go to Files, Export to, let's say, desktop, and name it as backup. Then just simply save it. Then just simply copy and paste the registry link given in the description below. Then just simply press enter. And then when you're inside the advanced page in the Explorer folder, just simply create an XML file. For doing that, just simply right click on the blank space and create new 32-bit value. And now write enable XAML start menu. And just simply double click on that and keep the value at 0. Then just simply go to the taskbar by pressing Ctrl Shift Escape, then choose Windows Explorer and then just simply restart it. So the seventh method is simply restore to a time when your PC was working completely fine. So for doing that, just simply go to your task manager by pressing again Ctrl Shift Escape, then go to File, run a new task and just simply search RSTRUI, hit OK. Then it will open the restore system file settings. Then just simply choose a different restore point over here, then press next. Now you might have multiple restore point over here. Just simply choose one of them and simply restore. It might take few minutes, but just simply restore it and restart your system and your taskbar should appear. Now, even after restoring your system back to a particular time, if your taskbar is still not working, the only thing that you can do is just simply create a new user account. So for doing that, just simply press Window plus I on your keyboard and go to accounts over here. Then family and other user, simply click on add account in other users. Now if you have another Microsoft account, you can just simply log in over here or just simply choose I don't have an account. Then again, if you want to create an account, you can create over here, but I won't be doing that. So I will just simply go with add a user without a Microsoft account. Then just simply enter your name, password, and then just simply press next. Then restart your system and log in with your new user ID, and then your taskbar might work. The last and the final method is to format your system. So to format your system, you can just simply create a bootable pen drive of whatever Windows you may like from the official Windows site and format your system. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.